First day on earth, I fell into your eyes. Look at how our galaxies collide. Every color of the spectrum, every star up in the sky. The planets aligned for you, and I've known you since the dawn of time. With twin flames burning bright, and I can't believe that I finally found you here. 'Cause nothing is better than you and I together. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. Lay here forever, you and I together. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. My first day on earth, you sang me a tune. Forever won't be long enough.
Happy birthday, Mikolay, tsaka welcome to the Christian world. Unang wish ko sana maging artista ka. Kung hindi mo maging artista, pinakamataas na CEO na lang. So pag naging mayaman ka na, wag mo kakalimutan si Ninang ha.
Isa sa mga birthday wish ko sa'yo, anak, ay sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos. Piliin mong laging gumawa ng tama, hindi man nakikita ng lahat. Tigit sa lahat, mahalin mo yung mama at papa mo. Bago ka pa dumating dito sa mundo, ilang beses nilang iniyak sa Lord yan. Alam ko yung kwento nila. Hiniling nila na dumating ka at ngayon nandito ka na. Lumaki ka sanang may takot sa Diyos, mabuting bata, tigit sa lahat, mabuting anak.
Happy birthday, Mikolay, anak. Ang wish namin sa'yo, sa yung birthday mo ngayon, paglaki mo, maging masunurin ka sa aming magulang mo, lalo na sa mami mo.
Ang wish ko, sana mabanggit mo na yung mama. Kasi puro kasi daddy. Paling magkulit ka ng magkulit kasi sobrang likot mo talaga. Medyo nakakapagod na rin pero okay lang, mas gusto ko yun. Kesa magkasakit ka, wag ka lang talagang magkakasakit. Yun lang talaga importante sa amin ni daddy. And sana lahat ng happiness na dito sa mundo maramdaman mo, maranasan mo, ganun. Enjoy mo lang yung pagiging bata, wag ka magmamadali.
Nothing is better than you and I together. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. Lay here forever, you and I together. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. 'Cause nothing is better than you and I together. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. Lay here forever, you and I together. I just wanna stay until the morning sun.
Maganda ang kanyang kinabukasan at nakatapos siya sa mga maayos sa puso.
Na may lumaki kang may makadiyos, mabait na bata, at hindi tigas ang ulo.
Nothing is better than you and I together. I just wanna stay